Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to call on Roblox. So first up here, you just need to log in your account on Roblox. And here to be able to use the newest feature here, you can go in the search box right there at the top and search for Roblox Connect. And once you click on this one, you'll find this experience here. So click on this. And here in the description, you will find here Roblox Connect is an experience on Roblox where you can call a friend and have a conversation as your avatars together in a shared immersive space. We've created some fun location options for you and your friends to enjoy. So basically, this is the newest feature on Roblox. So you can check if it's now available on your region. You can go to Roblox Connect. And basically, there's some things right here that you need to check to be able to access this newest feature. So we're gonna go to our Roblox settings. So click on the gear icon, which is at the top right hand corner, and then click on settings. So the first thing that you can check is your age. So basically you just need to make sure that you're not below 13 years old and you are age verified. The next one here, go to the privacy option, scroll down, make sure to enable this microphone to chat with voice. And you just need to make sure to enable this camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So once you've done right here and check all of this one, you can now go back to Roblox Connect and you just need to click on the play button right here to be able to use the feature where you can call on Roblox. So that's it. That's how you basically call on Roblox. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.